Hello students, today we're taking a small break from Reconstruction and doing another exercise in writing. You remember we did exercise number 1 a while ago on Winston Churchill, a little speech from him. So now we're doing exercise number 2, and this will be a reading and writing about Abraham Lincoln's Gettysburg Address. We probably just learned about this in the last chapter. So I want you to read the Gettysburg Address and then answer the following questions using complete sentences. This answer should be a paragraph or two long, probably 2 paragraphs. If you want to get full credit, you're going to want 2 paragraphs. When answering the questions, provide evidence by using direct quotes from the text. So here's the 2 questions. What is the purpose of the event in which Lincoln is speaking? Okay, you probably have some background knowledge on this already, but there is an answer to this in the address itself that you'll need to quote when answering the question. I advise you to restate the question in your answer. For example, the purpose of the event in which Lincoln is speaking is this. I can tell it is this because in the Gettysburg Address he says this. Quote. End quote. Something like that would be a good way to answer that first question. Question 2. Why does Lincoln say that in a larger sense those present cannot hallow the ground at Gettysburg? All right, this is answered in the Gettysburg Address. Somewhere, maybe down here in that 3rd paragraph. Wink, wink. And you'll again want to restate the question and the answer. Lincoln says that in the larger sense, those present cannot hallow the ground at Gettysburg because this, quote, end quote, and then maybe you elaborate on that a little more, Lincoln saying this. Remember, with these types of essays, more is better. So you're looking for 2 full paragraphs, 1 paragraph answering each of these questions, and that'll get you pretty high there. Barring sort of grammatical errors, which you want to check for, you'll probably, if you answer each of these with a paragraph and do it correctly, you'll get close to full credit, if not full credit. So I'm looking for everyone, 15 out of 15 on this. If you have any questions, please let me know. There are, if you're an audio person or a visual person, there are plenty of videos or websites, YouTube, that you can just look up the Gettysburg Address and then you can watch it. It's been reenacted in movies. I have one right here. It was easy enough to find a movie version of the Gettysburg Address where he says it, if you're that. But you'll need to read it because you'll need to pull quotes from the writing exercise. So don't watch the video and try to answer the questions because you will fail. You need to actually read it. So maybe play the video while you're reading it. That's how I would do it. It's a little Yunda tip. If you take it in with multiple senses, you tend to remember more and do better. That's it. All right. Tomorrow we'll pick up in lesson 1 of Reconstruction. And I'll grade these as fast as I can, but they take a while because there is a rubric and I put a lot of attention and feedback into this so that you improve your writing skills. All right. That's it. Go ahead, take a look at that rubric too so you know what's expected of you. That's it. Please let me know if you need help, and you'll get resubmissions if you need them. All right, take care.